Yo, and welcome guys to a brand new video of our Road to 3K iRating series. And first of all guys, I hope you guys had all a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and thank you so much for the support on the previous video as well. We got once again a new record of comments on the YouTube video, so thank you so much. I saw a lot of people who have commented on previous videos as well, so thank you so much. Means a lot, keeps me motivated to upload. And we're now at our upload streak of 14 weeks in a row, so let's push to 15 weeks. But in the last episode, we pushed to 3.83 safety rating and we're really close to 4 safety rating. They're gonna get promoted to C class and we can do different type of classes and then I can improve more. So I want to try endurance racing ASAP. So today we're at Oschersleben. It's a really tricky circuit, really technical, so we gotta watch out to not be involved in incidents because we want to grow our safety rating and hopefully push towards 4 safety rating so we can do endurance racing in the next one. But for now, let's jump straight into the qualifying and I'll see you guys there. Yes guys, we're into the qualifying and first, as you can see here, new Christmas gift, best gift there is, a Red Bull shirt, really lovely. I hope it will bring us some luck. And yeah, the qualifying is going to be crucial around here because this turn is a really technical turn. One of my favorite ones in the game actually. I love the circuit. But since it's so tricky, there's a lot of room for error for other drivers. So typically it's a graveyard on iRacing because there are like so many crashes there. So I gotta be really careful during the opening lap, during the first laps. And a good quality lap is gonna be crucial because if I'm starting like far behind, then I'm cooked. Because yeah, then I have a lot of risk to get involved into a crash. So let's lock in, let's get a good lap together. And yeah, we'll see where we can qualify. Let's go.
Here comes your first time lap.
Too wide, that's a shame. So let's push into the next corners. It's a really tricky turn. Yeah, too much entry speed there. Not ideal, not ideal. That was better. It was slightly better as well. Okay, gotta take some risks here, because P5 is not good enough. Off track. Oh no. Rip. But yeah, I was like the same lap time all the time. So I just had to take some risk to maybe get a faster lap time. And I could have won a lot of lap time here because I think in the first lap I ruined this piece a bit. Not really happy with this qualifying so far. For now we're looking to P5. But I'm afraid we might drop a little bit. Yeah, not too happy because in practice I hit a 139 low. So then we could end up P4. But I see that the top 3 guys are really rapid. So they're out of our pace. Oh, and as I say that, someone goes faster as well. So let's see if we can keep P6 guys. That would be lovely. Alright guys, we're gridded and we ended up P7, so we lost 1 position. Someone set a lap in the last minute, so it went out really late I guess. I don't know why, maybe it's beneficial. But all I care about guys is a good safety rating because I want to do endurance racing and I need that C class. So we're gonna be really careful. Of course we're trying to gain iRating, but it's gonna be so tricky into turn 1. I can almost guarantee there will be a big crash in turn 1. So we gotta be extremely careful and hopefully gain some positions, stay out of trouble and gain that safety rating. But we'll see about it guys.
Green, green, green. Go on the left. Still there. Still there. You're on the left. 3 wide. Clear all around.
Oh!
All right.
Yeah, and we're f***ed. Oh, what happened? I think he lost the car by himself because I didn't hit him. Oh, and now my race is over. Oh, I hate the MX-5, guys. I want to leave here ASAP. Fucking hell. They was just unlucky, of course, because, yeah, he couldn't do much about it that he lost the car. It can happen, of course, but it's so annoying because now I'm cooked. I took it careful because we were 3 wide and still you get spun out. It's so annoying. It happens every race. Oh, well, guys, you're gonna see a nice compilation of probably like 1 minute of the highlights of this race because, yeah, I can tell you there will be no highlights. Alright. Guess I'm a bit lucky. I'm going to send it immediately. Oh yeah, because it's for his bumper's broken. Okay guys, that's going to save me maybe a little bit of iRating. Oh.
There's an incident ahead.
P8. Yeah, the guys up front are much faster than I am. So we have to hope for a miracle to stay close. Oh yeah, we're too far off. It's the pink car. Rip. Could have been a P7 if we're lucky, but yeah, that was a boring ass race. Well, that were 2 minutes in my life wasted that I'm never going to get back. But it's always so frustrating when you're taken out into turn 1. Let's get our hopes up for the next race, because I think we still gain some safety rating, and it will be really nice if we get to 4 safety rating now after this race, if we stay out of trouble, because then we can do endurance racing into the next episode. And after I master that, I want to go to GT3 racing, which I'm really curious about. And there's going to be a cool league race in January, which I can't say too much about yet. So for now, it's for me just finishing the Mazda class. I've been driving here for 1.5 years now, and I think it's good to step on, because yeah, there are just so many incidents, and you could just see I'm lucky because I still got P8, because like a lot of people in front of me were crashing or yeah, were involved in probably some crazy moments. So yeah, I'm just a bit done with the chaos, and I want to try some other classes. So if you guys know some other classes you would love me to try out, please let me know in the comments. And for now, let's log in and give it another try. Positive vibes for race number 2. Let's go. Whoa. I sacrificed that corner a little bit just to get a good exit. Now this lap all depends on it, so let's look in guys, we can make a mistake. Took it a little bit careful there, but it's fine because I just want to get a good lap. There we missed the apex slightly, so we really gotta get some good final sectors in here. It's not looking too good, guys. Ah, too slow through here, come on. Oh, that's a shitty lap, guys. I think a 139 high, probably. Ah, that's not good, that's not good. Oh, the rip. That's our own mistake, guys, because in the previous race we were just 3 tenths faster. Now, I took it quite careful because I just wanted to get that lap in.
Green flag, green flag.
Nice start. I think we can get the guy on the left. Oh, yeah. Oh no, someone crashed as well. He closed the door while I was still behind him. I'm not sure if it was my bad. Yeah, we're P4. I don't know if it's really real, but or like fair, I mean, but we'll see. For now, nothing we can do and that crash anymore, so let's just focus on the race. Oh! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Oh. Yeah, guys, we're going to take the lead. No, you're too late. Oh, so... No. Oh my god. He almost took me out. We're gonna be so careful here. Yeah. Mate, you are such a dumb idiot. I already knew that was going to happen. So I let it run wide because I knew I was going to take out if I just drove along. What an idiot. You just know those type of shit's going to happen. That's crazy. So annoying. It's literally like, you just know you have to drive... Oh my god, it took someone else out. You just know you have to drive differently and have to avoid collisions. Because it's always the same. It's always a collision if you don't back out with these guys. Oh.
Right side. Still there, hold your line.
Yeah, the thing is, I could have closed the door there, but it's just a big risk because he got a nice line. And I just didn't want to get crashed out again. But either way, oh wow, he took another one out. This is literally the craziest driver I've seen. Almost took me out, took another driver out. But I'll let those guys here battle. Because I think the white car here is the fastest in the lobby. So, okay guys, we're halfway through the race. Let's just now fully lock in because we could still get this win if it turns out crazy. And of course we have slipstream as well. So we gotta watch out for the orange car. Oh my. Yeah, good luck to the white car because this guy's crazy. Oh, this is intense. This is really intense. Whew.
Right side.
Okay, we got a defend here.
Stay on the left. Clear on the right.
Good defense, and somehow we're still really close to the white car.
Left side. Clear on the left.
Dumb idiot. I literally left the space. Oh, what a moron. I can feel.
Car right. You're losing on the
Yeah, gotta let him go.
1.6 seconds. Car on your left.
Okay, that was lovely.
Keep to the right.
Yeah, the car feels really unstable because I think he hit me hard. That was so dumb. Why would he do that? There's literally so much happening. I think there are 2 more laps left. Oh no, 3 actually. So let's just try to survive. I think I fucked up myself there, but the car felt a bit shit. So it could be the damage. Now we gotta get some good laps in to keep the gap, guys. This is so intense. Damn. Off track, but I gotta take it. Oh, the car has trouble
White flag.
with turning in. I can feel it really bad now. I think he maybe hit one of the back of my tires because yeah, it doesn't rotate properly. Guys, last lap. We gotta survive this lap and then we're good. Come on. And they might kill each other as well, the top 2 guys there. Oh shit, look at that. Okay, you got a better exit. Let's defend for our life now.
Still there. Clear on the left. Car on your left.
Yeah,
Clear
bye
on the
mate. No chance. Oh,
You got a slow car on the left.
thank you. That was actually crazy that he took the crazy guy out. Oh, guys, this was the scariest and the craziest race I've ever driven. My god. Wow, I think this is not going to be too well for our safety rating, but oh my god, my heart is pounding. This was actually so crazy. Okay, guys, GG's, I guess. So let's look into the results. Yes, guys. We are back here in the results, so let's have a look. We did 2 races, so let's see how we did. Yeah, this race was literally, it wasn't not really relevant because I got crashed out in the first turn. Still, fortunately, we did damage limitations with our iRating because, yeah, minus 26 is not that bad in my opinion. So that's good. I think if you look at the best laps, then it's fair that we ended here not a really strong race. We had maybe a little bit of the damage, so not that well. But fortunately, we gained some safety rating, and that's the most important. While we had 3 incident points. So let's look at race number 2 where we ended second, I think. Yeah. Oh wow, let's go guys. 71 iRating gained. That's crazy. We're actually still gained 50 iRating today somehow. Even while I didn't have a good pace through this whole recording. Because yeah, sorry guys, I wasn't that fast today at Oschersleben. I'll practice more for the next one. And here we gained some safety rating as well. Only a little bit though, but we're really close to that 4 safety rating. And then I can go to the endurance class, and I'm so excited to drive endurance races because I love endurance races. And I think the problem with the MX-5 is that since a lot of people are joining and there are always crashes in every race, I think I've never experienced a race, or really rarely, that there was no crash in a race. And that's really unfortunate because I really love driving the MX-5 car, but I think going to the endurance class and after that going to GT3 cars, which is good for special events as well, of course, I think that's just the best step to take. So hopefully we get that 4 safety rating soon. This race we drove quite consistent, made some some small mistakes. We had to avoid that crazy guy, so I'm happy we could avoid him. Guys, if you have any recommendations for me to drive into the next episodes when I get 4 safety ratings, so I get promoted to C class, let me know in the comments. And if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. Thank you for all the comments, all the likes, all the major support. I check all of the comments, and I would really appreciate you subscribing because it helps me a lot to make more videos, to get more exposure to drive in real life maybe as well. But for now, thank you so much for watching and hopefully see you next week. Ciao!